Hi, it's Bain again with Triangle CompuDocs, where the health of your computer is a heart of our business. I want to talk to you for a brief moment about data backups. I know, another exciting conversation, but this is really important. Do you have a lot of stuff on your computer? Do you have personal pictures? Do you have documents? Do you have things that are private that you don't want to lose? If you do, then you need a backup. Even if you don't, you really should have a backup. The thing of the matter is, you probably went to the store, you probably bought a USB drive, you plugged it in, and you hope that everything's being backed up. That may not be enough. One of the problems with a USB backup is that they are just as susceptible to failure as your computer itself. And catastrophically, if your place burns down, it goes with it. You need an online backup solution. And that's one of the things that Triangle CompuDocs can help you find, help you install, and confirm that it's working on a regular basis. If you need more information, click the link below. I'm happy to help.